Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. This feature, also known as Activation Lock, is part of Find My iPhone and is designed to protect your device if it's lost or stolen. So let's get started. First, open Settings and navigate to Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode to proceed. Then scroll down and tap on Stolen Device Protection and simply toggle off stolen device protection. Initially, you'll have to wait for an hour to turn this off. You have to follow the same step and disable stolen device protection after an hour. Once it's turned off, you will no longer have security delay in whatever the changes you're trying to make. And that's it. Those are the steps to turn off or resolve the security delay in progress on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.